Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with two essentials: a PC with ADB and the Brevent APK on your phone. Plug the phone in, enable USB debugging, and accept the computer's RSA prompt. Once done, run a DB devices to confirm a connection. If it shows your serial, install Brevent via a DB install. Make sure to allow installs from unknown sources when prompted. This immediate setup gets you to the point where Brevent can communicate with Android and control apps for battery savings. Now you configure Brevent to act. Open the app and grant any runtime permissions it requests. Those let it issue stop commands. Choose Apps to Brevent. Tap to exclude essential foreground apps, then select background apps you want Brevent to stop. Once you've curated the list, enable auto stop or set a schedule so Brevent runs routinely. Make sure persistent service or accessibility options are enabled, because that keeps Brevent active and prevents aggressive system kills from undoing your settings. Finish by rebooting and verifying Brevent reapplies your rules. This confirms persistence. If an app keeps restarting, mark it for stronger action or move it from exception to force stop, because some apps auto-relaunch. If Brevent loses control after updates, rerun the ADB command to grant persistent permission or enable root if you have it. One key troubleshooting tip: if Brevent won't start, check ADB permission and Android battery optimization. Disable optimization for Brevent so the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.